Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can redirect URLs on cPanel, so let's get right into it. Now, I'll be using this cPanel documentation, which is just called redirect. You can check it out freely if you want to, but I'll be using this since I do not have cPanel myself. So what you can do to actually redirect on cPanel is you can just go into the type menu and just go and select a redirect type. You just need to click on permanent or temporary. The permanent one notifies the visitor's browser to update its records, and this setting does not update those records, the 302 code, and that is pretty much it. Now you can select a domain name from the menu or select all public domains, and in the next text box just enter the rest of the URL which you wish for the server to redirect visitors to. So for example, if you want to redirect this to another URL, you just need to enter directory/file HTML in the text box. Then in the redirects text box, enter the complete URL where you want to redirect it. Then you're going to need to select one of these settings, redirect only with www, and this selects only redirects visitors with www prefixes. With or without, of course, it does not discriminate, and everybody will be redirected. And do not redirect www. This will not redirect users who have www in their URL. Then you can select wildcard redirect if you wish to redirect all files within a directory to the same file name in the new directory. Then just click add, and to test the redirect, just go ahead and use that URL and you'll see if it works perfectly. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.